So hello guys, let's continue again. Let's see how to use if else statement in Python. Let's see if else statement in Python. So why do we actually need if else statement in Python? So if else statement is actually required for better decision making. We already saw the if statement yesterday. If a condition is not correct, then it will not execute. But in the case of if else, if the condition is not correct, then the else block will be executed automatically. Let's understand the working of if-else statement with a real-life example. Suppose I went to the market to buy few things. After buying those things, I am left with some money. So if I have rupees 20, then I can buy a chocolate. But if I have less than that, I will buy toffees for myself. In this example, you can see that I have used if-else statement. If I have 20 rupees, I will buy chocolate. Else, I will buy toffees. That was a simple explanation of if-else statement. The syntax of if else is same as that of the if condition, only we are just adding the else block here. So if our if block fails, then the else block will be executed. So now let's have a hands-on practical. Start the Python REPL by giving the command python. Once the Python REPL is started, I will declare a variable x and assign a value 10 to it. Then after that I will write the if statement and will give a condition to it. Then if condition is true, then it will print something on the screen. Otherwise I will be writing now else block also. In that, if my if condition is incorrect, then my else block will be executed. So I have given the condition if x equals to 9. So x is 10, which is not equal to 9, hence else block is executed here. So thank you for watching. My new video will be uploaded soon.